Hi, I'm talking about Kiss It Goodbye. Kiss It Goodbye was formerly known as MaxiClear. This is MaxiClear on steroids. We kicked it up a notch. A lot of people love MaxiClear and you will love Kiss It Goodbye. It's the same formulation, we just bumped it up. The benefits is that it will keep your pores clear. It pulls out the dirt and oil from your pores, and if you have a blemish, this is what you would use. You're going to kiss it goodbye. You apply it on the blemish or you could apply it to the area, and I sleep with it. And in the next morning, most of the time, if we've caught it in time, it is gone by the next day. So you can use it in the evening if you're oily, and if you're normal, just use it when you have a spot, and you would use Benzo Clear to prevent it. But Kiss It Goodbye is used when you have a blemish that you want gone for tomorrow.